So I can't find my scissors anywhere. Surprise, surprise. So we're going to have to break into the Sugar and Sloth box with a pen. Oh, it matches my top. I didn't even realise. Wait, look. I didn't plan that. Honestly, I didn't plan that. I swear. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and I did not plan at all for the pen to not only match my top, but also my earrings. I've got my ice cream cone earrings in today. I didn't even realize. I literally just grabbed the nearest thing to me that was moderately sharp. And of course, it's an ice cream pen. How cool is that? And it's got sprinkles. Sprinkles. Anyway, we digress heavily. Hello and welcome. If you are new to my channel, then hello. My name is Ayesha Shasha. You can see me as your kawaii sister, whether it be crafts, fashion, or just some cute stuff in general. Honey child, I got it. Okay, so today we are opening up the Sugar and Sloth box for the month. Wow, I'm hungry. For the month of March. Okay, this is the tiny party club box, and it is exactly what it says on the tin. It's a tiny little party inside of a box. Just a few little things to make you smile. That's it. It's super duper cute and I absolutely love them, but I never know what's actually inside. So without further ado, let's get into the box. I'm gonna use my trusty ice cream pen to help me do the job. I cannot believe that actually matched. Oh my gosh. Where am I going to put you? Okay, so now if you're new to my unboxings, I don't like to look inside of the boxes. I like to just put my hand in, feel around, and try and sort of guess what's coming. There is always an enamel pin in these boxes, so I know that there will be one of those for sure, but the rest I don't know. Okay, so oh, also, I'll be leaving you guys a discount code in my description box too. Let's have a look-see. Okay, feeling around the tissue paper. This feels like it's a notepad, possibly post-it notes of some sort. Things I should do, but I'll probably just go on my phone instead. Do you know what? So real. So real. And I cannot stress to you how much that I could do with these, because real talk, I have ADHD, okay? And I really struggle to remember the simplest of things. My short-term memory is near enough non-existent. I can't remember what I did yesterday, or even 5 minutes ago for that matter. And something like this would be really, really handy for me to actually just sort of stick everywhere. Whether or not I remember to do that is another question. Check in with me next month to see if I've actually done it, but I will try because it's cute. It is super duper cute. Things I should do, but I'll probably just go on my phone instead and get heavily distracted as always. Anyway, next item, let's put this one down. Next item, we have da 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 da. This feels like it's a sticker. This feels like it's a giant sticker. Who are we? Oh, we got some unicorns. Drink coffee, read books, be happy. Let's change that coffee for a herbal tea, shall we? Because I am a herbal tea kind of girl. But this is cute. That will make a lovely necklace. I promise I'll put these in resin at some point. I know you guys have been waiting. I know, and I'm sorry. But your girl has been very busy recently, okay? But I will get to it at some point. I've been saving all my Sugar and Sloth stickers so that I can do some resin project with them. But that is super duper cute and it's massive. How cool would that look as a necklace? I love it. See, I'm the kind of person who wears everything. Like, I look at a sticker and go, ooh, necklace, or ooh, hairpin. You know, like I just wear everything. I've got problems. So the next thing is, ooh, what's this? This might be the little leaflet that tells you what's inside. Yes, it is. Let's pop you down there. That's the enamel pin. We'll leave you till last. What is this? Oh, Oh, okay. I think this might be the next calendar page. Yes, it is. So basically every month now, we are getting these blank calendars so that we can put them all together and create a calendar of our own. These are super duper cute. I love this theme, all the little unicorn stuff. I love it. That's such an adorable theme. It's very, very up my street, really, isn't it? Okay, the next thing is, this feels rather glossy. Is it a poster? Ooh, Unicorn Book Club. Cut out bookmarks. Books are a uniquely portable magic, Stephen King. You can never get a cup of tea large enough or a book long enough to suit me, C.S. Lewis. My friend Lucy will definitely be watching this video. Lucy. Oh, it's a postcard. I think, Lucy, that you need to have these in your life. Lucy is the biggest bookworm that I know. She will just power through a book in like a day. She's amazing. Yeah, I kind of think that like you kind of need to have those. So next time you come to my house, come and get your bookmarks. Is that everything? Because that's the enamel pin. Oh, is that an eraser? It feels like an eraser. Hold on. It is! I love it. Absolutely love it. I don't care. I just don't care. Now, I don't really use pencils. So if I just like drilled a hole in here, at either side, and strung that up onto a necklace, I could just wear that. I don't care. I genuinely don't care what people think about me wearing an eraser around my neck. I do not care. I think that would make a fabulous necklace, and it's going to happen. It is going to happen. I just love it. I don't care. Just don't care. Is that everything? I think that's everything. Yes, it is. Okay, so what is the pin gonna be? Is it gonna be a unicorn style pin? Probably, giving the theme. Not today. Just not today. Not today, guys. Sorry. Not happening today. This is adorable. So adorable. Oh my gosh. And I love that it's got cute little like heart things on the back for you to like cover the pins. Everything about Sugar and Sloth is just absolutely adorable. I love their stuff. Thank you so much for sending this to me, Anita, darling. Now, have we got any confetti? We have a tiny bit of confetti. And at the end of every Tiny Party Club unboxing, we have to throw the confetti. It's a thing. Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. And yeah, that's now created a whole load of mess all over my floor. I don't care because I love me some confetti. Anyway, if you guys are interested in grabbing yourself a Tiny Party Club box for April and beyond, then feel free to check out my discount code in the description box below so that you can save yourself a pretty penny with Sugar and Sloth. Now, if you enjoyed this video, there are plenty more like it, so do feel free to peruse all of my videos and you will find more cute kawaii unboxings just like this one. If you just joined and you're liking the vibe, then make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.